her beautiful face, multi-talented usab ang ato ang bisita dinhi sa BizTalk. O karong 2021, aduna siya bagong ikadalit kanatong tanan pinaagi sa bag-o niyang drama series ang Legal Wives. Busa, kumustahon ta si Ashley Ortega. Maayong buntag, Ashley, and welcome back dito sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Hello, Miss Cecil. Hello, everybody. Maayong buntag po. It's good to be back. Naku, kailan lang tayo nag-interview? Tapos ngayon, patapos na yung taon, diba?
Oo nga, ang bilis lang, ano? Pero first of all, Ash, belated. Happy birthday, Ashley! How was your birthday celebration?
Okay naman. Actually, I was with my family and some of my close friends. So, as much as possible, kasi hindi naman tayo pwedeng magpa-party ng maramihan. But it's okay. At least, diba, yung mga kasama kong tao, yun talaga yung mga special people in my life.
Despite everything, ano, na nangyari this 2020, what do you think what are the things that are you most grateful for? Kahit na maraming nangyari this year na medyo negative somehow.
Mas na-appreciate ko na yung mga little things ngayon. And even my family and my friends, mas close na ako sa kanila. And actually, mga friends ko nga, yung mga nakausap ko the whole year during this pandemic, sila talaga yung parang tinitreasure ko na ng sobra. Kasi sabi ko, alam nyo, kayo lang talaga yung nangangamusta. No? So, nalaman ko yung mga real friends ko and my family. I got closer to them kasi syempre sila lang kasama ko. And I also became more independent and more mature kasi parang I started doing a different different things like I started doing business na and parang yun na yung parang gusto ko ring i-focus next year.
And since you mentioned about your 2021 goals, lalo na yung business mo, this coming New Year 2021 ba, where do you want to put all your energy into, aside from acting and of course yung mga pinagagawa mo na dati?
This coming 2021 also, I have a new aside from doing a new teleserye, I'm gonna launch my newest Samgyupsal franchise. So, yun na talaga yung goal ko this year. Sabi ko, I can't just, be an actress. I wanna do something else. Kasi yun din yung realization ko nung lockdown.
Perfect. Ang sarap nun. And those are really good plans for your future, Ash.
Thank you.
So many things to look forward to this 2021. At isa na dyan, yung bagong drama nyo, ang Legal Wives. Share with us kung ano yung magiging role mo dito, Ash?
I love my character, pero hindi ko lang alam kung malalove ako ng mga tao. I'll be playing the role of Mariam. Her name is Mariam. She's a Muslim from Marawi, pero konti lang yung pwede kong sabihin. Hindi ko kasi pwede ikwento lahat. So basically, she's the bad person in the teleserye.
And since you portray a role of a Muslim woman, Ash, what have you learned so far about their beliefs and mga practices din nila na maa-apply mo rin sa sarili mong buhay?
Actually, yung language, sobrang hirap talaga. Sobrang hirap. Pero it's really nice and challenging rin ito sa aming lahat. Yung accent kasi talaga nila, it's really hard. Pero so far, very challenging and yun, sa ngayon, mayroon akong mga konting language. Yung shukran means thank you. Yung mga ganyan. Actually, yung mga Marawi, yung mga, Arabic language ko, sobrang nakakatawa kasi masama akong tao. So, parang alam ko yung mga malandika, yung mga ganyang yung mga malandika, yung mga ibang, yung language nilang ganun. So, basically, there's a lot of things na they can learn about. And siguro mas, ang goal rin namin sa Legal Wives is yung mga other people like Catholic, Christians, other religion, ma-appreciate nila yung religion and culture ng mga Muslim.
How happy are you to be working and learning from Miss Sherry Hill and of course your other co-stars, sila Miss Alice, Andrea, and of course Bianca?
We're all good people. We have this bond, like dun sa lock-in kung saan kami nag-stay. Wala kasing signal doon. So wala kaming choice but to talk to each other.
Finally, please invite and please share to our viewers bakit kaabang-abang talaga itong Legal Wives.
Mga kapuso, ayan na po, malapit na po ang Legal Wives. Sana po mapanood niyo po sa GMA Primetime. Isa pong napakagandang storya. Pinaghirapan po namin lahat. Minahal po namin yung character namin at yung kultura ng isang Muslim. Kaya sana po mahalin din po ninyo. Thank you so much.
And of course, Ash, please give your New Year's message para sa lahat ng mga kapuso natin.
Ay nako, isa lang yung New Year's message ko. It's a new year, it's a new life. Never give up. Just keep fighting.
We needed to hear that from you, Ash. Dagang salamat for joining us this morning. Happy New Year in
Daghang
advance.
salamat. Happy New Year. Thank you so much. Happy New Year, everybody. Mwah.